How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can check if Meta AI is not showing or working properly on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, check for the updates. Ensure that both the WhatsApp application and your phone system are up to date. In order to check for WhatsApp update, you have to open up Play Store. And here you have to search for WhatsApp and make sure that it is up to date. Now to check for your system update, you have to open up settings. Here go to the system and tap on software updates, and if there is an update available, make sure to install that. Now once you have done that, if that still does not help you, now you have to check for the Meta AI service availability. Sometimes the Meta AI features may not be available in all the regions or for all the users. So check Meta AI's or the Meta's official announcement or news to confirm if the feature is available in your region. If it is not available, then you have to wait until the feature gets available in your region. Or if you're in the region where it is available and you're not still able to get the feature, now you can go to the WhatsApp setting and clear some cache. For that, open up settings and then tap on WhatsApp and tap on apps and then tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top right and then search for WhatsApp. Once you are on the app info page, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, this will help resolve any minor issues with the WhatsApp functionality. So go back and check whether now if you have the feature or not. If not, you can re-enable the Meta AI. If the feature was previously working and suddenly stopped, you can always go to the WhatsApp setting and there look for any AI or chatbot settings in the privacy or chat section and ensure that they are enabled. If that still does not help you, now you can go to the settings and look for the permissions on WhatsApp. Again, open up settings, tap on apps, again tap on WhatsApp. Once you're here, go to permissions and ensure that the WhatsApp have all the necessary permissions, especially for microphone, camera, storage and location, so that if that is required for the AI feature, so make sure all of the permissions are enabled. If not, tap on them and make sure to enable it. If that still does not help you, and the last option is to contact the WhatsApp support. So for that, you can open up WhatsApp and go to your settings. Once you're under settings, you can tap on here, then go to the help center. Here tap on contact us, and then you can simply type in your issue and send it to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp will respond to you in a WhatsApp chat with a solution. So follow the instructions and that's gonna help you fix your problem. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.